Okay, just because I think you guys need just maybe a little bit more practice, go ahead and flip it over to the back. Let's try this one. 3 times 2 is 6. And then our middle term is -7. So what two factors of 6, when you add, is -7? When you multiply is +6. So I'm going to say 6 and 1, and they would both need to be negatives because -6 plus -1 is -7, and negative times negative is our +6. So these are going to become our middle two terms for the reverse FOIL for our O and I. So come back over here, write down your 3x squared, write down your 2. Our middle two terms are the ones we came up with over here, -6x and -1x. -6x, -1x. All right, put parentheses around all of those by grouping. It's called grouping. And we are going to pull out the greatest common factor, which I believe is 3x. And then that would leave us with x minus 2. Over here, pull out anytime you have a negative in your first term, you need to pull out the negative. So I'm just going to pull out a -1. There's nothing else this has. And that would leave x minus 2. And again, you did it right if that's the same. So this is one of our terms, 3x minus 1. And the other one is the one you got as 2 of your answers, x minus 2. All right, you try the last one and then check in with your teacher. And if you got it right, then you can go ahead and move on to today's homework. If you need me to do it with you, I'll do it here real quick. All right, so 2 times -7 is -14. Our middle term, -5, goes here. The two numbers that multiply to get -14 and add to get -5 would be 7 and 2, and it needs to be -7 and +2. So these two terms are going to be in the middle. Bring down, there's the bell, bring down 2x squared and -7. Bring down our -7x and our +2x. Group them, pull out the greatest common factor. There's a 1 is the only thing you can do there. And then you're left with x plus 1 and 2x minus 7.
Oh, we were in the, or I was